GlucoShield Pro, a carefully crafted formula, was born on American soil, where it is produced in facilities that strictly comply with FDA guidelines and good manufacturing practices, GMP. This supplement, which aims to support blood sugar levels, stands out as an option for adult men and women seeking a balanced approach to metabolic health. However, it is crucial to emphasize that the use of GlucoShield Pro should not, under any circumstances, replace medical advice and prescriptions. The path to effective glycemic balance, as suggested by the creators of this supplement, is to combine the use of GlucoShield Pro with a healthy diet and regular physical exercise. Just as a gardener takes care of plants so that they bloom in all their splendor, the manufacturers of GlucoShield Pro invest in the quality of their formula to provide the best possible support for blood sugar levels. This supplement is designed as an ally in the search for a healthy life, offering an integrated approach that recognizes the importance of nutrition and exercise. Manufacturing facilities in the U.S. can be compared to a meticulous laboratory, where each ingredient is carefully selected, and each step of the production process is closely monitored. This commitment reflects the quality assurance that is essential when it comes to products intended to influence human health. However, just as a car needs adequate fuel and regular maintenance to function properly, GlucoShield Pro is not a standalone solution. The emphasis on not replacing medical recommendations is crucial, reminding users that this supplement is a complement, not an alternative to professional care. Imagine GlucoShield Pro as a co-pilot on your journey to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. It provides additional support, but the ultimate responsibility for navigation still lies in the hands of the primary pilot, your doctor. This highlights the importance of a collaborative approach between supplement use, medical advice and personal actions, creating a synergy that enhances results. The analogy of a puzzle also fits well. GlucoShield Pro is just one piece, one tool in the health kit. To complete the picture of a healthy life, you need to bring together all the necessary pieces. One of these crucial pieces is a balanced diet, made up of nutrient-rich foods that promote metabolic health. The relationship between GlucoShield Pro, diet and exercise can be compared to a harmonious dance between different elements of an ecosystem. Just as nature requires balance to thrive, human health thrives when there is harmony between a well-formulated supplement, conscious eating and an adapted exercise routine. When considering GlucoShield Pro as a supplement for blood sugar support, it is vital to remember that no supplement is a silver bullet. The formula can be compared to a conductor in the healthcare orchestra, coordinating efforts to create a balanced symphony. However, to reach the peak of metabolic health, it is necessary that all instruments play their role. The relationship between the use of GlucoShield Pro, a healthy diet and exercise can be compared to building a sturdy house. The supplement is like the foundation, providing essential support. Diet is the framework, providing the necessary building blocks. The exercise is the roof, completing the structure and protecting against bad weather. Comparing GlucoShield Pro to a journey partner highlights the importance of having a trusted ally in the quest for balanced health. Just like a trusted friend, the supplement is there to offer support, but it cannot replace expert guidance when needed. This analogy highlights the importance of open communication between the user and the healthcare professional, ensuring a collaborative approach to well-being. In short, GlucoShield Pro is more than just a supplement, it's a piece carefully crafted to fit into the puzzle of metabolic health. Manufactured in facilities in the USA in compliance with FDA and GMP guidelines, it seeks to support blood sugar levels in adults. However, its effectiveness is maximized when combined with a holistic approach that includes a healthy diet, regular exercise, and ongoing guidance from healthcare professionals. Use it as a co-pilot on your journey to healthy living, recognizing that, like any other tool, its impact is optimized when integrated into a comprehensive wellness strategy. Product link in comments.